Hello class, this is World Geography with Lesson 4, and today we're going to talk about natural resources. So, beginning in the 16th century, Africa became the primary source of slaves for Europeans. Most of those slaves were into slavery, were captured by opposing African tribes, and were sold to European slave trades. For over a period of 300 years, approximately 9 to 12 million Africans were brought to Americas against their will. And while the slave trade was banned by Europeans in the 18th century, a wealth of mineral resources were discovered. So for the minerals, today's sub-Saharan Africa is free from European rules. However, a lot of the mines and farmlands that were established by colonists are still in use. Minerals are one of the sub-Saharan Africa's most profitable resources. Chromium, cobalt, copper, iron ore, magnesium, and zinc are found in abundance in various parts of the region. Gold, a precious metal, Gold is a precious metal that is found in South Africa and other nations. The region was produced over 50% of the world's annual gold output, making it the most abundant precious metal in sub-Saharan Africa. Diamonds, a precious gem, are mined in several countries including South Africa, Botswana, Angola, the Democratic Republic of the Congo, and Sierra Leone. Sub-Saharan Africa is the top diamond producer in the world. So in the land we talk about throughout the southern part of the region, Africans are farming and they're commercial farmers. They produce many cash crops such as coffee, bananas, and sorghum. In the Congo River Basin, there are vast forests, and these forests contain hardwoods such as ebony and mahogany. I apologize if I pronounced that incorrectly. But these are just different types of woods and their texture, ebony being one of the most common ones. And while timber in the industry is valuable to the economic of the region, it is also a threat to the Congo River or Congo rainforest. And with that being said, the rainforest is important to the worldwide production of oxygen. And then we have renewable resources such as hydroelectric power, solar energy, and wind turbines. And in some countries such as Kenya, both solar and hydroelectric capabilities have been developed. Zambia and Tanzania also have built hydroelectric power plants along the principal rivers, so they're still being used today and they're considered clean energy. And then we have the questions, but of course we're going to go through the Word doc and go through the questions that way. So the first one, what is the most abundant precious metal that is found in sub-Saharan Africa? Going in the beginning, we see that gold is the precious metal that is mined in South Africa, and it is the most abundant precious metal in the sub-Saharan Africa. So we'll go ahead and put gold. And the second question, which gemstone is found in abundance in the region? Again, we go into that paragraph where we talk about minerals, and we find that diamond is the precious gem, and then it's mined in those several countries, so we're going to go ahead and click diamond. Number 3, which countries in this region contains diamonds found in abundance? So we have South Africa, Botswana, Angola, the Dominican Republic of Congo, and Sierra Leone. So we're going to click, Sierra Leone, Botswana, all of these actually. During the period of time which region abundance of mineral resources was discovered. So it started, we had beginning in the slave trade, it was mostly selling for trades of slaves. However, afterwards, when it was banned in the Europeans by the 18th century, there was still exploitation continuing with these minerals. So it was after the fact that the slave trade ended is when they started to get a lot of these resources and minerals such as gold and diamond. Number 5, which trees are considered a valuable resource in the region? We go to the forest. These forests contain hardwoods such as ebony and mahogany. I believe that's how you say it. So we have that one, so we are going to go ahead and click it. Number 6, where is the abundance of gold and diamonds located? Again, if we go back up to this, we find that gold in South Africa and in other nations, but mostly in South Africa. So we're going to go ahead and click South Africa. And the last one, what is the main agricultural farming found in sub-Saharan Africa? Well, like we said, when we go to land, we talk about how it's commercial farming, which we have cash crops such as coffee, bananas, and sorghum. So we're going to say commercial. And that is it for this lesson, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you for tuning in.